For me, I think all the events that I've been to for Marcus Evans now, which have been, I don't know, 3 already? I really don't know, 4 maybe, are always perfectly organized. So you know in advance what to expect, you know what the timings are, it's always perfectly communicated. I think the infrastructure is always really good, the settings are really good, so the locations are really good too. So yeah, I would say 10 out of 10.
From my perspective, the EuroPack Summit this year definitely meets the expectations. If it were only the fact that we are here in person, which of course after 1.5 years of lockdown makes all the difference. I think you can do so much more if you have personal interactions with people. The speaker lineup is great. Tomorrow we will hear from the European Commission, for example, about some of the regulatory developments. For me, it's a rounded program that is actually very beneficial for the packaging industry.
I think the event is very good arranged. It's very clear and it's got the full program, which you also expect as a sponsor. You want to have a full packed program, and this is the case. The moderator of this event is very inspiring. It's very relevant on topic.
This is a very professional event. So I'm quite impressed with all the organization and very pleased also with the speech that we had so far. It's really good experience.
It's efficient, it's well organized, and it's a good mix between these presentations mode and the face-to-face meetings with the service provider. So it's really good.
So it's like a mixture of everything in one place in 2 days, which is I think quite unique, which sometimes also shifts the focus of people, how they can see packaging and what future developments there can be.
It's a combination of a conference format with sort of a fair, when you can actually meet and plan the next steps with the potential new partners.